inevitable.
Mofo, I am the Infinite Gauntlet, and I am Sid. Woo! What is going on? Are you all having a fantastic day? Good. Wait, where the hell am I? Oh wait, 2 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Poof! That's more like it. You're having a fantastic day. Good. For people who's joining my channel for the first time, please subscribe to me right now. I mean it, right now. Anyway, today we are watching some YouTuber called, I think, My Cat Peel or something. Big shout out to him. His link, YouTube channel, is down in the description, and if you guys want to watch the video for yourself, also down in the description. So apparently it's very interestingly funny, but edited. So let's get this over with.
On your left.
Okay. Hey, that looks like Jinxie. It's an old friend I had called Jinxie. Well, might as well be my cat. It does. It does. But I never had a chance to say goodbye. I wonder who Ralph Pop is that. Running down. Go, kitty, go! Go, kitty, look! It actually looks like him and my cat as well. Go on, mess him up.
I don't even know who you are.
Yes! Go on, kitty! Boom! Yeah! It just made my day. But that cat looks like my cat, and it looks like a cat I used to know, a very good friend of mine, Jinxie. I'm not gonna. You probably guessed whose cat that was. Anyway, I never had a chance to say goodbye, and whose fault was that? You know what? This is talk on the phone, but then they say it to you on the phone. They never have a chance to say it to your face. You know how cowardly that is, and anyway, forget that. Talk about the video. Video was funny, and it was fantastic. It made my day. It was so fluffy, and it just reminded me of someone. That's all. Well, anyway, and I wonder how to edit stuff like that. Oh well. What can you do? Good edit though. Good edit. Make me want to watch Endgame now again. So many times. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And I'm Mr. Sid, and I'll see you all again very soon. Woo!